Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our app you can easily check POS line of group by customer, purchase order and product. So let's see about that. You can see here our module They Sell POS line list view. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to point of sale app. Go to orders and see here this menu Sell POS line. Above display this search bar, click on and see here group by of 3 customer, sell order and product. If you want to see in group by of customer, so select and see here customer wise POS line. If you want to see by sell order, so click, and if you want to see product wise, so select product. So see here this order reference number 388 and product name. Thank you.